Good morning students. मैं रामपाल प्रजापत फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रिकल डिपार्टमेंट इन SDIT दोसा। डियर स्टूडेंट, आज के इस लेक्चर में हम सर्किट एनालिसिस की स्टडी करेंगे। फॉर टुडे क्लास और टॉपिक इज DC एनालिसिस ऑफ RC सर्किट। इन DC एनालिसिस ऑफ RC सर्किट we will discuss on RC series circuit excited with a DC supply source, and what is the behavior of the circuit will be studied in this lecture. Now we take a DC circuit as shown in figure. There is a voltage source of V volt and a RC elements are connected in series with a switch of K. Let a DC voltage be applied at t equal to 0 by closing switch S in series with RC circuit. The current at t is greater than 0 being I, so applying KVL, V is equal to Ri plus 1 upon C integration of I dot dt. It means simply initially the circuit is open, so there is no current. When switch is closed, then there is the current of I ampere in the circuit, due to which there is a voltage across the R and C. So according to KVL, V is equal to Ri plus 1 upon C integration of I dot dt, where Ri is the voltage across resistance and 1 upon C integration of I dt is voltage across capacitor. Now simplifying the equation, R di upon dt plus 1 upon C is equal to 0. On differentiation, the equation becomes R di upon dt plus 1 upon I upon C is equal to 0. This equation is homogeneous differential equation. This equation is homogeneous differential equation whose solution will contain only complementary function and particular function being 0. The solution of a homogeneous differential equation is given as I is equal to IC, that is equal to K e की power minus t upon RC, where RC is the time constant of the circuit, which depends on the value of R and C. Now, with application of voltage and assuming no initial charge across the capacitor will not produce any voltage across it, but acts as a short circuit, causing the current to be V upon R. We know that a capacitor opposes sudden change in voltage, so there is no change in voltage or voltage across the capacitor is equal to 0 in initial condition, because capacitor is assumed as no charge. So the current through the circuit is V upon R, that is at t is equal to 0 plus I 0 plus is equal to V upon R. Hence at t is equal to 0 plus K is equal to V upon R. So the equation of current I is equal to V upon R e की power minus t upon RC ampere. It may be observed that the charging current is a decaying function, because there is e की power minus t upon RC represents decaying functions. So charging current is a decaying function. The plot being shown in figure, as the capacitor is getting charged, the charging current dies out. Corresponding voltage drop across resistor and capacitor can be obtained as follows. So voltage across resistance is equal to VR, that is I dot R is equal to V e की power minus t upon RC. Now voltage across capacitor is VC, which is given by 1 upon C integration of I dot dt, that is 1 upon C integration of 0 to t V upon R e की power minus t upon RC dot dt. So the solution is VC is equal to V cos 1 minus e की power minus t upon RC. Now observing equation 8.14 and 15, it is revealed that VR is a decaying function while VC is an exponentially rising function. Profile of VR and VC are shown in figure. So the steady state voltage across capacitor is V volt. The voltage across capacitor exhibits forced response. Now in the given figure, there is a voltage V and with respect to time t. Figure shows voltage across capacitor with respect to time is exponentially rising, but voltage across resistance is exponentially decaying function. Now time constant is obtained by putting T is equal to RC, while it gives VC is equal to V 1 minus 0.368, that is equal to 0.632 volt. That is the time by which the capacitor attains 63.2% of steady state voltage. The instantaneous power is given by PR is equal to R into I, that is V square upon R e की power minus 2t upon RC watt, and voltage power across capacitor PC is equal to VC dot I, that is V square upon R e की power minus t upon RC minus e की power minus 2t upon RC watt. This is the power across capacitor. Now we take an example. In the given example, a series RL circuit, application of direct voltage, steady state current 0.632 in 1 second, I being the final steady state value of the current. However, after the current has reached its final value, a sudden short circuit is applied against the source. What would be the value of current after 1 second? So in RL circuit, the value of current is given by I is equal to I0 cos 1 minus e की power minus t upon tau. So using initial conditions, here first case is 0.632 I is equal to I cos 1 minus e की power minus t upon t, where I is equal to 1 ampere. So the value of e की power minus 1 upon t is equal to 0.368. As soon as short circuit is applied, a steady state current will flow, start decaying. The decaying current I is given by I is equal to I e की power minus t upon tau. So putting the value of t, the value of decaying current at after 1 second is 0.368 of I. Now in second case, or natural response of RC circuit. Let's now study the discharging case when switch S is thrown to a contact S such that the RC circuit is shorted and voltage source is withdrawn. So application of KVL, Ri plus 1 upon C integration of I dt is equal to 0. from the circuit as shown below. So the differential equation we get R di upon dt plus I upon C is equal to 0. In the given circuit, there is a voltage source and R and C parameters connected in series, and there is a two-way switch. So equation is homogeneous differential equation. Its solution reveals I is equal to IC, that is complementary function, which is given as k dash e की power minus t upon RC. However, at t is equal to 0 plus, voltage across the capacitor will start decaying. So the current through the resistor is opposite to the original current direction shown by I dot gas. Hence, the direction of I during discharge is negative, and its magnitude is given by V upon R. It means if the direction during charge is clockwise, then the direction of current during discharging will be in anti-clockwise direction. The value of current will be I0 plus is equal to minus V upon R, that represents the opposite direction. Hence, from equation we get minus V upon R is equal to k dash at t is equal to 0 plus. The complete solution is then I is equal to minus V upon R e की power minus P upon RC ampere. Now the decay transient is plotted in figure, represents the natural response of the circuit. The corresponding transient voltage is given by VR. So VR is IR, that is minus V e की power minus T upon RC, and VC is equal to voltage across the capacitor, that is 1 upon C integration of I dot dt is equal to V e की power minus T upon RC. Obviously we know that VR plus VC is equal to 0 in natural response, because element R and C are removed from the source and are short circuited by the switch. Figure represents the profile of VR and VC with respect to time. So in the given figure, VC is a decaying function when it is short circuited, and VR is increasing function. It means when switch is connected to point S or short circuited or removed from the source, then capacitor starts discharging. So voltage across capacitor is decaying function. In discharging circuit, the time constant is given by the product of R and C, such that VC is equal to V e की power minus 1, that is 0.369 volt, nearly equal to 0.37 volt. That is the time by which the capacitor discharges to 37% of initial voltage. It means it is the time constant at which the capacitor discharges to 37% of initial voltage. The time is known as time constant. Now the instantaneous power is given by PR. PR is equal to VR dot I, that is V square upon R e की power minus 2t upon RC watt, and PC is equal to VC dot I, that is equal to minus V square upon R e की power minus 2t upon RC watt. So the charge stored in the capacitor during charging is given by Q is equal to CV. So V is equal to V0 constant 1 minus e की power minus t upon RC, or Q is equal to Q constant 1 minus e की power minus t upon RC. While that during discharging is given by Q is equal to CVC is equal to CV e की power minus t upon RC Coulomb. Now we take example. In the given example, calculate the time taken by a capacitor of 1 microfarad and in series with a 1 mega ohm resistance to be charged up to 80% of final value. Means we have to calculate the value of time in which a capacitor of 1 microfarad connected in series with a 1 mega ohm resistance discharge up to 80% of its final value. So first of all, we calculate time constant. Time constant of the circuit is equal to T is equal to RC. R is equal to 1 mega ohm and C is equal to 1 microfarad. So the value of time constant T is equal to 1 second. It means time constant value is 1 second. The charging of capacitor is expressed by the following equation. Q is equal to Q0 constant 1 minus e की power minus t upon RC. So Q is equal to 0.8 of Q0, R is equal to T is equal to 1 second. So 0.8 is equal to 1 minus e की power minus t. So 0.2 is equal to e की power minus t. So t is equal to 1.61 second. It means a capacitor takes 1.61 second to discharge up to its 80% of final value. In question 2, a resistance R and 5 microfarad capacitor are connected in series across a 100 volt DC supply. Calculate the value of R such that the voltage across the capacitor becomes 50 volt in 5 seconds after the circuit is switched on. In case of charging equation is Q is equal to Q0 constant 1 minus e की power minus t upon RC. So from the circuit time constant T is equal to RC, that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 into R second, and voltage V is equal to V0 constant 1 minus e की power minus t upon tau. As per given question, PD across the capacitor is 50 volt within 5 seconds. So V is equal to 0.5 of V0. So V0 is equal to final PD in steady state is equal to 100 volt and T is equal to 5 seconds. The equation is 0.5 is equal to 1 minus e की power minus 5 upon 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 R. So from this equation, the value of R we obtain is 1.45 mega ohm. Okay student, this is the analysis of RC circuit excited with DC source. This lecture includes both transient and steady state response. Now we shortly revise all the parameters which we have studied in this lecture. Now dear friends, in this lecture we have discussed on DC analysis of RC circuit. A RC circuit is shown in figure where R and C are connected in series with a DC source of volt. There is a switch at point K. Initially, when switch is not closed, so the value of current in the circuit is equal to 0, and when the switch is closed, then there is current flow in the closed path of the circuit, but voltage across the capacitor is equal to 0 volt. It is assumed that capacitor is initially discharged, so the value of capacitor voltage across the capacitor is equal to 0 because capacitor does not allow sudden change in voltage. Now the KVL equation is V is equal to Ri plus 1 upon C integration of I dot dt. Differentiating the equation, we obtain R di upon dt plus I upon C is equal to 0. This type of equation is homogeneous differential equation, and solution of homogeneous differential equation consists of only one part, that is particular function being 0. So the equation consists of only complementary function. So the solution is given as I is equal to IC k e की power minus t upon RC, where RC is time constant of the circuit and its value depends on parameter of R and C. Now at t is equal to 0 plus I0 plus is equal to V upon R. Hence from equation at t is equal to 0 plus the value of k time is equal to V upon R. Now we put the value of k in the given equation. Now the net current I is equal to V upon R e की power minus t upon RC ampere. It may be observed that the charging current is a decaying function. The plot being shown in figure, the capacitor is getting discharged, the charging current die out. The corresponding voltage drop across the resistor and capacitor can be obtained as follows. It means the solution of the equation represents the decaying function. Voltage across resistance is equal to VR, that is I dot R, where I is I e की power minus t upon RC. So the VR is V e की power minus t upon RC. Similarly, the voltage across capacitor is Vc, that is 1 upon C integration of I dot dt. So the solution is V e की power minus t upon RC. Now we draw a graph of phasor between V and I, or Vc and Vr with respect to time. So we see that Vc is exponentially rising function and Vr is exponentially decaying function. It means initially Vc is equal to 0, but according to time Vc gets charged. It means capacitor gets charged. So Vc across the capacitor is increasing function and Vr is decaying function. Similarly, the time constant T is equal to RC. When we put the value of time constant in the given equation, then the Vc value is equal to V1 minus e 0.368. So its value is 0.632 volt. It means time constant is the value of time at which or during which a capacitor gets charged up to 63.2% of its initial value. The instantaneous power given as PR is equal to V dot I, that is V square upon R e की power minus 2t upon RC watt, and PC is I dot Vc, that is V square upon R e की power minus t upon RC minus e की power minus 2t upon RC watt. Next is natural response of RC circuit. In case of a force response, circuit is connected with a DC source and it is not removed from the circuit. An analysis is done on the basis of given circuit. But in natural response, we remove RC parameters after charging from the circuit and it is sorted by the switch So, in a steady state, current will start decaying from I, means capacitor start discharging. The decaying current is given as I dash is equal to I e to the power minus t upon tau. At decaying after 1 second is equal to 0.368 of I. It means the value of decaying current after 1 second of application of short circuit is 0.368 of I. Let's now study the discharge case when the switch is thrown off to a constant contact S such that RC circuit is shorted, the voltage source is withdrawn. So applying KVL, Ri is equal to Ri plus 1 upon C integration of I dt is equal to 0. Differentiating, we get R di upon dt plus I upon C is equal to 0. This is also a homogeneous differential equation. So the given circuit represents a voltage source of V volt and RC parameters connected in series. There is a switch S. Now discharging in RC circuit, the equation being a homogeneous differential equation, its solution is given as k e to the power minus t upon RC. However, at t is equal to 0 plus, the voltage across the capacitor will start discharging. Current through the resistance is opposite to the original current direction. It means when a capacitor charged, then direction of current is clockwise, and in case of discharging, direction of current is anti-clockwise. Its magnitude is given by V upon R. I is equal to minus V upon R, that is in opposite direction. So the value of K is equal to minus V upon R, and the complete solution of I is equal to minus V upon R e to the power minus t upon RC ampere. Now decaying current is plotted as shown in figure. The current decaying transient in RC circuit. So VR, voltage across capacitor, is equal to minus V e to the power minus t upon RC, and voltage across capacitor VC is equal to 1 upon C integration of I dot dt. So obviously VR plus VC is equal to 0. Now in discharging circuit, the time constant is given by the product of RC such that VC is equal to V e to the power minus 1, that is 0.37 volt. That is the time by which capacitor discharged to 73% of initial voltage. Now instantaneous power is given by PR is equal to VR, I is equal to V square upon R e to the power minus 2t upon RC bar, and PC is equal to VC dot I, that is minus V square upon R e to the power minus 2t upon RC watt. So the charge stored in the capacitor during charging is given as Q is equal to CVC. So CV cosec 1 minus e to the power minus t upon RC Coulomb. During discharging, the current charge Q is equal to CV, C is equal to C e to the power minus t upon RC Coulomb. Now we take example. In the given example, calculate the time taken by a capacitor of 1 microfarad, which is connected in series with a 1 mega ohm resistance, to be charged up to 80% of the final value. It means एक कैपेसिटर जो कि रेजिस्टेंस के साथ सीरीज में जुड़ा हुआ है, उसको 80% चार्ज होने में कितना टाइम लगेगा, ये अपन को फाइंड आउट करना है. RC सर्किट में टाइम कांस्टेंट is T is equal to RC. So R value is 1 mega ohm, C value is 1 microfarad. So T is equal to 1 second. Charging of capacitor is expressed by the following equation. Q is equal to Q0, 1 minus e to the power minus t upon RC. We put RC is equal to 1 second and Q is equal to 0.8 of Q0. So equation is 0.2 1 minus e to the power minus t. So simplification, given as t is equal to 1.61 second. It means capacitor takes 1.61 second to discharge up to 80% of its final value. In second question, a resistance R and 5 microfarad capacitor are connected in series with a 100 volt DC source. It means एक resistance R ohm and a capacitor 5 microfarad both are connected in series with a 100 volt DC source. इसके लिए calculate the value of R. We have to find the value of R such that voltage across capacitor becomes 50 volt in 5 seconds after the circuit is switched on. So we put the equation of charging Q is equal to Q0 1 minus e to the power minus t upon tau. T is equal to RC, so its value is 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 R, and V is equal to V0 1 minus e to the power minus t upon tau. According to question, voltage across capacitor becomes 50 volt, so the V is equal to 0.5 of V0. So, and t is equal to 5 seconds given in question, so we put the value in the equation of charging, that is 0.5 is equal to 1 minus e to the power minus 5 upon 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 R. So from the equation we get R is equal to 1.45 mega ohm. This is the value of resistance due to which a capacitor voltage decay up to 50 volt in 5 seconds. Thank you for today's class, dear students. Ask for any query.